Hi, and welcome back. In the previous video, we successfully trained your custom brand model. Now, we are going to complete the process by generating your brand kit. From the Train Model page, simply click the button labeled Create Brand Kit. This directs you to the Setup page. First, select the model we just created. You can toggle Show Training Files to verify the assets the AI will use for analysis. Now, click Generate Complete Brand Kit. Right now, our advanced AI is analyzing your files. It is extracting your exact brand colors, typography, logo styles, and design principles to build a comprehensive system. And it's done. Let's look at what the engine created. At the top, you have your brand overview. This includes your brand voice, primary purpose, and target audience. The AI infers this directly from the documents you uploaded. Scrolling down, you'll see your visual identity. The system has automatically detected your primary and secondary colors, as well as your typography hierarchy. It also organizes your graphics and elements, including illustration styles, patterns, textures, and your icon system. Further down, you'll find Design Guidelines, which creates automatic do's and don'ts to keep your team on track. You can export this entire analysis as a PDF by clicking Export Brand Kit. But here is the most important part: augmentation. While the AI is powerful, you might want to add specific assets manually. For example, if you see a missing logo variation or a specific font file, you can upload it directly here. Let's upload a specific set of photos. Click Add Images. These photos are crucial because they will be available later inside the studio to guide your content generation. You can also upload specific charts, data visualizations, or vector graphics. Think of this brand kit as your central library. Everything you curate here becomes a tool you can use in the next step. Now that your brand kit is fully populated, join me in the final video. I'll show you how to enter the studio and use these exact assets to generate stunning, on-brand creative.